Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to attempt to clean out a portion, at least a portion of my shed to make room for my new zero turn that I got coming. So I got a bunch of stuff that I can't even get in there now that I used to. So this thing is a mess. I've not cleaned it for the what 6, 7 years I've been here. So it's yeah, it's horrible. I'm just disgusted with myself. But anyway, let's get right to it. Do some time lapse here. Alright, so I am so frustrated with this whole shed mess. I've got a couple of my metal sheds that I built, but they're for like my online sales stuff, so they're not really used for tool storage other than some temporary stuff. But it's like, look at this. So I cleared out this side, right? I reinforced that one shelf with another board, so now I've got my tool boxes on there. But look at this side. Look how pathetic that is. And that is, I guess, an accumulation of, I guess it's going on 9 years of just not being able to keep things arranged, and it's just, I always have to dig through trying to find what I got. So see, I got this cleared out, right? And then if you look at the stuff that I pulled out, it's just unbelievable. All the crap I have. I want to pare down and get rid of some of the stuff, but I need to get it so I can get my rototiller back inside, because I used to have my rototiller and all my power tools, all my you know, 2-cycle and 4-stroke engine stuff, as well as my rider that's over there behind my little excavator backhoe. So I had to make room because I just bought a Zero Turn. I want to be able to park it in here so I can lock this up at night. But it'll just fit. But I'm trying to figure out how much space it's actually going to take. I think I can put stuff lined in the corners along the edge here, all my other power tools, and still be able to fit in the Zero Turn. So this is very frustrating. So I can't even tackle that today because it's already like 6 o'clock and I don't have a whole lot of sunlight. So I think the main thing I want to do is get all of my valuables back inside and then worry about this other crap later. So that's where we are. All right, so here we are, day 2. So again, I got most everything cleared out on this side, but there's still like a few things that I haven't found spots for. Some of that drywall is warped and I'm just gonna bust it up and then burn it. And it does burn. I burned some the other day and it just takes a lot longer. It actually acts more like charcoal sort of when it burns, but it does deteriorate and burn down. It just takes longer. So this stuff here is just, you know, in the way, and I need to make room for my rider or my Zero Turn when it comes tomorrow. So again, I've got this whole side here that is just a disaster. I mean, it just, wow. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to tackle the tool stuff today. But what I do want to do is this area, I want to clear that out. And I think I just have some wasted space under there. I may rearrange this stuff because I've got a lot of space of these shelves that I'm not utilizing right at the moment. So I need to clear all that out, and then like this cabinet is going to be good to move over here somewhere for storage. So let's look at it from the outside here. So coming into this side, so this stuff is just taking up too much space, and it keeps coming out, and I've hardly even got a space to even walk through here. And I've actually got a second dirt bike coming this fall that I got to pick up from my brother that I'm getting. This is a 220 and I think his is a 200 that I'm getting. So I'll have 2 different enduros there. But so yeah, let me go ahead and do some time lapse, and I'm going to clear all this stuff out and see what we can do with cleaning up this area and go from there. So enjoy. so I got a lot of stuff pulled out. As you can see, all this stuff. It was just like, I just got way too much just stuff I've collected. Some of it's junk, a lot of it's good stuff, but it's like, I just got way too much stuff. And so you can see, I have not even touched this yet, because that is a disaster. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this stuff out, but I need to obviously put in a better support. So I've got some 4x4 over there. I'll cut that to size. What I did, so I had 2 shelves here. I pulled those out and I put this little cabinet here. So, and I put this wood here to be able to hang some tools, and I'll put another board here so I can hang tools there. But I've still got, you know, stuff. I don't know where to put everything. So I think I'm just gonna, like, stuff that I don't want, I'm definitely gonna set out, put on Facebook just for free. Just give it away. I don't want to even deal with trying to sell it. It's like someone else can make use of it, great. But so this is where I'm at. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I need to take a break, grab me a drink, and think about this for a minute. All right, so I was able to pull it in here. So I had to move the ladders over so I could get that door to open wider, but it pulls in without any issue. It's plenty wide. You can see the doorway is to bring it in. I have plenty of room, probably a foot on each side, and so you can see, pulled it in. Got plenty of room for everything. I still got plenty of walkway here to get past all this stuff, and it's a little dark over here, but you can see I went ahead and I cut my shelves, so I still need to organize stuff and get stuff organized over here. And I'm probably going to rearrange this stuff, but I definitely have a lot more room over here now, so I can get stuff going. I still got to clean out all that stuff up here on top, and then all this mess. It's just a disaster. But once I get this, man, I'm going to feel so good about all my tools and everything. But this is the big thing, knowing that I've got this in out of the elements, and along with all my other good power tools, so I'm good to go. So I'm probably gonna do some mowing tomorrow, as well as I still have this stuff to do stuff with. Bikes are going over in one of the other sheds, and I think the drywall I'm going to burn, and then throw some of this. I gotta make some I got some trash to haul, stuff to give away, and have a scrap metal person come pick up. So I've definitely got some stuff to clean up around here, but definitely made some progress, and I'm really happy. And the big thing is I'm glad that I got this in here. I did some minor repairs to my doors so they're not sagging and dragging, so we're good. This is a lot of work, and especially out here in this Georgia weather, it's plenty warm and humid. So anyway, hey, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And if you like this shirt, or you can check out primitiveguy.com. I've got a whole bunch of different apparel for First and Second Amendment themes, and some are pretty catchy, some of them are edgy. It's all good stuff, but yeah, check those out, and I'll see you next time.